today I'm going to go over the different types of solder that we use in jewelry making. You may have noticed at your jewelry supply store that the different solders are identified as easy, medium, and hard. These are basically telling you the different melting temperatures of the solder itself. So if you want your solder to melt within your piece quickly, you're going to go for easy. If you want it to take a while, you're going to go for hard. Hard is also the most stable and strongest, easy being the most delicate and easy to break. I use medium solder for almost every project that has just one joint. But if you're going to apply multiple things, like say you have already enclosed a ring band and now you're adding a jump ring to the other side, you're going to start with the solder of the higher melting point and then switch to the solder with the lower melting point for the second joint. So say you start with medium, and then when you add the second joint on, you're going to switch to something with a lower melting point, like easy. I use almost exclusively wire solder like this that I get from Rio Grande in big spools, but you can get solder in a bunch of different forms. You can get it already created into little chips. You can also get it as a paste, and I'm going to link a few different solder options below.